Welcome to the Solar System Scale Properties video activity. If you have not completed the pre-lab question, pause the video and do that now. When you're ready, start the video again. Sometimes it's really difficult to make a scale model of something, especially if it's really large and you're trying to scale it way down and you don't have a lot of space to do that. So I have really scaled this down to fit inside my garage. So let's take a look at the materials that we'll be using. I've got a 300 centimeter tape measure, but it's not going to be long enough, so I've got an extra meter stick. I've got a softball to represent the sun, and a variety of objects, balls, to represent the different planets, and an asteroid belt. The data that you will be collecting will be in distance from the sun, and in our model, the distance will be in centimeters, which you will be converting to other measurements later. So let's get started. I'll be placing an object to represent the planets in our model here. So first up is Mercury. And I'm using a tiny little styrofoam ball. Next up is Venus, and it is also a small styrofoam ball. Next is Earth, and you can see it's a little bit bigger and it's blue. And we'll place it. Next up is Mars. And I've got another styrofoam ball to represent it. Next up is going to represent our Ceres asteroid belt, and it's represented with a green ball. After the asteroid belt, we have Jupiter, that is represented by a small marble. Now for the rest of our planets. Next is Saturn, which I have represented with a large marble. After that is Uranus with a medium-sized styrofoam ball. And last is Neptune with a similar size styrofoam ball. Here's our model of our solar system, and notice that I've got little post-its down there next to each planet. Here in just a minute you're going to see images for each planet that has the name and the distance in this model in centimeters from the sun. With each image, make sure to make some observations about the size of the planet as well. Remember, the number next to the planet is in centimeters. As we travel back towards the sun, remember that you can go back and look at any of the data that you need. You can pause it, go back and look again, and when you're ready, post all your data on your data table, and then you'll be ready to complete your lab report. Good luck.